Today we're going to make homemade Kit Kat candy bars. The first thing we're going to do is line our 9x13 baking dish with club crackers. All right, now we're going to get a small saucepan and we're going to melt 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter, 1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup light brown sugar. Okay, and we're going to just melt this over low heat. All right, when your butter is completely melted, we're going to go ahead and add the graham cracker crumbs in the milk. 1/2 cup milk, and your 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. And now we're just going to stir this and get it incorporated, but we do not want to boil it. All right, and now we're going to pour half of this over our initial layer of crackers. Just kind of spread it evenly over your crackers. Now we're going to put a second layer of crackers just right on top of this. Now we're going to use the rest of our sugar mixture and pour it just right over the top of this second layer. Try to get it spread out evenly. Okay, now 1 more layer of crackers. So we'll end up with 3 layers of crackers. All right, now we're going to do our chocolate topping. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2/3 a cup peanut butter. We'll just stir this over low heat and let it melt. Okay, when it's smooth, we're just going to pour it over top of our top layer of graham cracker. And just spread it out with your spoon. All right, now we're just going to cover it with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator to cool for a couple hours because you want it to be good and firm when you cut into it. All right, it's been 2 hours. Let's check on these. They're good and firm.
Perfect. Wow. Jaylyn, our granddaughter, her favorite candy bar is Kit Kat. She's gonna love these. But take them to her and see what she says. All right, Jay, your favorite candy is Kit Kat. Grandma Alyssa's homemade Kit Kat. See what you think.